Today I'm going to be reviewing Veise Smart Lock with Doorknob. I'd like to thank Veise for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got. All right, here we go. This is everything you get in the box. Got all the parts to put it together, of course. You got the keys. These are really cool right here. These you can put on your keychains or whatever. This will cause this to open up as you get closer. NFC tags for that. These are these are actually really pretty nice. Nice metal, pretty solid. Here is the part for the inside. Here's the back of it. So it's pretty easy to put together. But this is what this looks like right here. And of course, this turns. All the parts that you need are also in the boxes there. So this piece, which is inside, and this is where the batteries go right here. This is plastic, just so you know. This is plastic. This piece, which is on the outside, this is metal. This is definitely solid metal. This is for the fingerprint, and of course there's for the keys. Just in case, I've definitely been in situations where the battery runs out and you need a key. So you've got that right there too, in case that happens. Fingerprint, you've got the numbers. I'm going to turn this on so we can check it out and see what that looks like. All right, here's the most important part of the lock. When you hook it up, you actually plug it into the back there. The batteries go in this unit. And so I just wanted to show you some of the cool features. This is a little thing you put on your keychain. All you do is touch this.
Verification successful.
And you can see then it opens up, right? And you can push the buttons to open it up, to shut the door. But that's how you do it.
Verification successful.
Another cool feature. You want to use your fingerprint. You just put it here.
Verification successful.
And you can hear it working. So very easy to work the unit. It does have a 30-second auto close if it doesn't work. Another really cool feature. So I just reprogrammed my code to 1234, but you can make it so somebody's snooping on you. You can click any number plus your number. So watch this. So you can go ahead and hit 6, 7, 9, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. Oops. The battery goes dead. You've got your key. Really good lock. Pretty impressed. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.